Hello friends, I hope you are all doing good. It is very nice to meet you all. It is very nice that I am meeting. Obviously we cannot meet physically now, so it is very nice to meet you online virtually. So this is a small video which I am making about the announcement of the crash course for November and December 2021 examination, and also the crash course which was uploaded by me previously. I am getting messages from students with regard to the crash course which was already uploaded by me. The students are telling, sir, we are not able to find ITC videos, place of supply videos, etc. on the mobile app, etc. Now there was one, before we start our discussion on this November crash course thing, let me just tell you that there was one crash course video of almost around 50 hours. There was a crash course video of 50 hours uploaded by me on YouTube for free. This was uploaded by me in the month of March 2021. It was uploaded by me in the month of March 2021. I think 21st or 22nd of March I had uploaded this video, wherein 4 separate parts were made available. Now this crash course which I had taken was specifically applicable for those who wrote their examination in the month of June or July. It was updated and amended for only those people who wrote their examination in the month of July 2021. Therefore, for the coming examination, I am taking a crash course. The videos, the classes are presently happening. As on today also the classes are happening. I started this class on 10th of September, the present batch. Let me discuss about this present batch in a while. But the crash course which I had uploaded in the month of March was applicable for the immediate next examination which was happening. Therefore, these videos were made available on my mobile app. The 3 lectures were made available on my mobile app only till 31st August 2021. And the lectures got removed after that date. In the mobile app also it was freely available. It was available only till that date. And in YouTube, on YouTube, except the first video, the part 1 of the crash course, all the other 3 parts, there are totally 4 parts, except part 1, other 3 parts will be removed today, because see that is I saw some comments on those videos, etc., that sir, there is an amendment, you are not discussing about the amendment, this is not applicable to us, etc. That the reason is you are not seeing the date. See, if you see the date of that video I had uploaded in the month of March, it is almost 6 to 7 months now. It is almost 6 to 7 months now. So that was specifically made applicable for those who wrote their examination in the month of June, July, etc. Now those who are going to write examination in the coming months, say in the CMA Inter, they have their examination in the month of October or November, then CA have their examination in the CA students have their examination in the month of November or December, CMA students have their examination in the month of November, December, CS final student have their examination, etc. For those students, the fresh video is required to be seen. If you see the old video, you will not see. Law is same, but if you see the old video, the amendments, etc., will not be discussed. So I have removed the old videos except the first video which is there, so that you can understand that there is a difference between the new videos and old videos. Except the first video which was about crash course, all the other videos with regard to crash course have been removed from YouTube, and also from the mobile application it has been removed, because they are now no more applicable for coming attempt. For the coming attempt, here is the announcement. For the coming attempt, I am freshly recording the crash course. The crash course batch is being conducted presently. So I started this batch on 10th of September 2021 on Ganesh Chaturthi, and this will get over on 30th of September 2021. So it is going to get over on 30th September 2021. Now this crash course which is there, it is applicable, or this is available for CA student, CS student and CMA student also. Now this crash course which is there is fully amended. It is fully amended, and whatever is applicable to your coming examination, all those points are in detail covered in this particular it is amended and covered in this particular crash course videos, whatever you are going to see. Now please note, this crash course which is there is available for 3 categories of students. It is available for CA Inter student, it is available for CMA Inter student, and it is available for CA, CS and CMA final student. So separately is made available. Now this time it will not be made public on YouTube. It will be available on my mobile application. It will be available on my mobile application. Therefore, to watch this crash course, you will have to first download my mobile application. Sir, what is your mobile app called as, sir? My mobile app is called as Dilip Raj Purohit Classes. This app is downloaded from, you can download this app from the Play Store. You can download this app from the Play Store. This time the crash course will not be made available on the YouTube. You will have to go and watch it on the mobile app. Now this time the crash course is made available to you at a very nominal price, of rupees 500. If you are a person who is writing your intermediate examination, CA intermediate or CMA intermediate, for you the price for this crash course is 500 rupees. For you the price for this crash course will be 500 rupees, wherein you will get point number 1. What are the different things which I am going to get, sir? Point number 1, you are going to get full lectures, and these lectures will be in English. Then point number 2, you are going to get 2.5 views, meaning one single video. So the classes which I am taking is approximately for 2 hours 45 minutes or 3 hours. So each and every video which is there will be of 2 hours 30 minutes or 2 hours 45 minutes. You will be able to watch that video 2 times completely. 2 times completely you will be able to watch that, plus 1.5 times more, plus 50% more will be given. Say for example, if a video is of length of say 2 hours, then you will be able to watch that for totally 5 hours. You will be able to watch it totally for 5 hours, meaning you can watch it once completely for 2 hours, second time also completely for 2 hours, and third time for 1 more hour if you want to make if you note some point and want to do some revision, etc., or some key important points if you want to re-understand, you will get you will be able to watch it for 1 more hour. So you will get 2.5 views for each and every lectures which are there. These lectures are fully amended and applicable for your coming examination, plus you will also get the ebook of chart material. You will also get the ebook of chart material. See, normally in the mobile app, if you are purchasing chart material, you don't get anything else. You just get the chart material, correct, which is costing 100, 150 rupees, etc. But with this particular crash course, on and above the videos, you are also going to get, on and above the lectures, you are also going to get the material, chart material. This chart material will be available for view purpose in the mobile application. Please note, whatever chart materials are there which is available on the mobile application, it is available only for view. It cannot be downloaded or printed. You cannot print this chart material. It is available only for view purpose, wherein you can anywhere, say you are traveling anywhere, you want to revise the GST provision, you can open it in your mobile application, you can revise it then and there itself. Okay, so this is with regard to the course details. That is, even for final students, you will get full lectures plus 2.5 views plus ebook of the chart material. You will also get all those things. However, for final students, the pricing is rupees 750. For final students, they will have to pay 750 rupees for the lectures. So basically, if you see separate, if you go to the mobile application, you will find separate folders for CA Inter crash course for November or December 21 examination, then CMA Inter crash course for November December 21 examination, and CA CS and CMA final crash course for November December 2021 examination, wherein for CA and CMA it is 500 rupees and for final student it is 750 rupees. Now please note, classes are still happening, therefore videos will be uploaded on daily basis. Most probably by end of next week. For CA Inter, the lectures will get completed, and for CMA and final students, by end of the month all the videos will be available. Or for final students, maybe for final students till say 5th of October, all the lectures will be uploaded, because I'm taking the class on daily basis and my last class is on 30th of September. All the recordings will be done till 30th of September, and I may need some time for merging etc. and uploading it on mobile application, so it may take time for the final students. Now please note, these lectures are fully amended and made applicable to the recent examination which is happening. Sir, I am writing my examination in May 2022 or June 2022, sir. Can I take the benefit of this? Definitely you can take the benefit of this, wherein you will have to pay a very small price, and just give one understanding. See, there are some students who feel like, sir, let me do the study by my own, I don't want to join classes. So they can take the benefit. They can take the benefit of this and they can read. After that they can read, and after that again in future whatever amendments are there, I will upload amendment videos on YouTube which you can watch and refer. So I think this is sufficient to discuss about the crash course. This was a small video, very small video which I made to tell you about the crash course. For any further details, you can please send me a message WhatsApp on 962002 So this is my WhatsApp number, wherein I don't accept any call. I personally reply to you on this number, so you can send me a message. Any doubts if you have, but if not related to the course, any other doubts also if you have, you can please send me a message on this number. So sir, what about CS Inter, sir? Never you do any course for CS Inter. See, what happens is, for these students, they have they have to write descriptive types of questions are there, then practical questions are there. They have to write the answers. But in case of CS, you have objective types. The only reason why I don't record is that it is objective types, wherein whatever I am teaching is very much extra for you. You will feel, oh my god, oh, these are the provisions, this is how the provisions is happening, etc. Because for you it is not required, that detailed analysis is not required. Anyways, if you are a CS student, and if you feel no sir, but still I want to opt for this, then I recommend you to take CMA Inter crash course, because CMA and CS intermediate, their syllabus is same. Actually CMA it is more, but more or less there are some topics which is excluded. Maybe I will say I will make a separate video in the same folder in this, telling which are the topics which are excluded for CS executive students. Okay, so that is all with regard to this crash course, declaration of this crash course, etc. I hope you are all in a very good health. I hope your family members are safe, and I hope you all are vaccinated. If not, please get vaccinated. Please take proper care of your health, and a very happy studying. All the best for your examination, and thanks a lot for very good reviews, and thank you so much for those students who got exemptions. So almost around 8 exemptions they had got this attempt, and out of which there were 3 students who watched the lectures for free on YouTube and mobile application. I thank you, thanks a lot for you to study hard. See, these 8 exemptions are only for the CA final examination result which was declared 2 or 3 days back. So I thank you very much for your efforts. It is not we teachers who are good teachers, it is you students who are a very good teachers, who are very good students. You make us good. Thanks a lot. Take care. Tata. Bye bye. Enjoy.